Good morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss the topic on Essential Commodities Act, in which the Kerala government has taken a step forward and using the powers under the EC Act, they have put a cap on the price of the bottled water at rupees 13 per bottle. Normally, you may be knowing each bottle is costing about 20 rupees. Now, Kinley, Bailey, so many companies, they have been, there are about 400 companies, reputed companies, they have been selling bottled water. Of course, we know that normally we are spending more money even on the so-called distilled water or bottled water, because the regular water we use, it has been contaminated. Whatever it is, our options for distilled water or water in containers has become more. So it has made the manufacturers greedy, and they have been enhancing the cost of the bottled water as they like. You may be knowing, for example, if you start a bottled water company, normally you have to get 12 types of licenses, and you have to follow the standards of ISO 14543. A lot of illegal companies are also there. It has to be admitted. Even though ISO standards are there, they don't give. Even rail neer, you may be knowing, while we are traveling in the trains, normally we get the so-called bottled water by trains. So now we have noticed, some video also I have seen, the people, they are filling the so-called bottle with the tap water near the latrine and bottling the same and selling away the same. These are the situations. Such bad situations are also there. But anyway, Kerala is the first state which have used the powers under Section 3 of the Essential Commodities Act and made bottled water as an essential commodity in 2017 itself. You may be knowing, very recently, 1 year back, the government of India, central government, has eliminated the food grains, particularly the paddy and other things, from the list of essential commodities, and this led to the agriculturist farm laws abolition, all this movement by the agriculturists of Punjab and Haryana. Right, as far as Kerala is concerned, now they have treated water as an essential commodity, because summer is coming, everybody will be interested to purchase the bottled water. After discussions with the manufacturing companies, retailer companies, a section of the consumers, ultimately the government has lessened 7 rupees per bottle. That means previously these companies, they used to sell it at 20 rupees. Now they have to sell the same at 13 rupees. In some media it has been wrongly claimed that in Kerala you can get a bottle of water for 7. No, 7 rupees less, that is 13 rupees. So normally it will not be relished by the so-called companies, and they wanted, of course, they wanted at least the minimum price should be fixed at rupees 15. But the government did not relent. The government did not come back. Even about at one stage, these companies, the manufacturing companies, they wanted to go for legal recourse. That means they wanted to file cases against the government. But of course, Pinarayi Vijayan, the CM of Kerala, has stated that clearly the government has got right to regulate the rates of the essential commodities as per Section 3 of the EC Act, and also already they have included bottled water as an essential commodity in 2017 itself. So Mr. P. Tilothaman, he is the minister. I don't know whether he is a male or female. P. Tilothaman, Minister for Food and Civil Supplies, said bottled water has been included in the EC Act, and the government order will be published soon in the official gazette. And once the order comes, the Bureau of Standards will fix up the standards, and definitely quality of standard will be definitely higher, and only such bottles which were certified by the Bureau of Indian Standards, they should be told in the public, shown in the public, and they should label the price also clearly. Now with this, the illegal water manufacturing, definitely they will be forced to shut down their shops. It's a good gesture or good venture on the daring step on the part of Kerala government. But how, till now, how they are able to manufacture all these illegal manufacturing means the Food Safety Department of Trivandrum, Kerala, they have given license for soda manufacturing, due to which all these lesser quality water bottles also have come into existence. Anyway, Kerala is the first state to think about the health of the people, particularly regarding water, and they are actually added the same in the EC Act, and also now they are going to fix the price at rupees 13. Of course, we will be happy if other state also follow suit, or if they can reduce it to some more extent, like 10 rupees, 11 rupees, like that. Very good gesture by Kerala. Thank you.